Are you the type of person who always gets burned out o perminala kapoy at lawas din kini verse may para sa imo? Nagingon dira sa Genesis chapter 2 verse 2, and on the seventh day God ended his work which he had made, and he rested on the seventh day from all his work which he had made. Most of us want to take the full day. We want to keep working and working and working to get all things done as quickly as possible. And what happens is our body also needs rest. So it's really not possible to keep working and working. But if we continue doing it, we will really get tired and fatigued. But if we look at it deeply, even God rested on the seventh day after creating the heavens, the earth, the trees, and everything that is so good. So we should, as well as humans, needs to rest because we are human itself. We are not a machine. We are not anything can work 24/7. We are humans created to work but also to rest. So maura to, daghang salamat sa pagtan-aw. God bless o padayon.